Welcome back to London, guys. London is like a different city when the sun's out. I tell you, it's like Marbella, it's like Magaluf. And we're just enjoying a nice ride on the WR125 little supermoto. I've not introduced this bike to the channel yet, or to you guys. So this will be a first time, a little experiment. Gonna see how the moto vlog goes. As I was saying, London is just like a complete different city. As soon as the sun comes out, you know, everyone's just got a smile on their face. Woo, yeah, them brakes. Should not have got those, should not have touched the brakes with the cleaning stuff, because they feel basically non-existent now, which isn't great. But wow, it's just like a beautiful filter has just been put over London. Cherry blossoms are out. Wow, we're just finally feeling a bit better about ourselves now. So this is South London, if you're wondering. Crystal Palace. Yeah, the famous Crystal Palace that burnt down. I don't know if it burnt down twice or 3 times. Sydenham Hill. Crystal Palace, man, I mean, what a sight that would have been to see. And to rebuild it, for it then to burn down again, absolutely tragic. So yeah, today we're heading to the bike shed. And the bike shed, if you don't know, if you're a rider as well, you probably will have heard of it. It's just a meet-up spot for fellow riders in the heart of Shoreditch. It's a great spot, you know, because the biker community is just it's quite a wholesome one. We're all looking out for each other on the roads, because you are one of the most at risk of death, I suppose. You know, you don't really have much protection other than the gear you're wearing, and some people just they're naked, man. They're not even wearing much at all. But the bike shed, it's a little different, because there's not many of these meet-up spots in London. In fact, I think this is probably the only spot where you can go have a little drink, enjoy some food, and you can watch the bikes sort of ride through, a bit like a catwalk for bikes, if you will. And we've also got the Nikon Z6 camera, so we're going to be taking some photographs as well. Right, we can get in this bus lane at least. Forest Hill. But yeah, I mean, it always sort of feels like a bit of an achievement to get through the British winters. Honestly, felt like a particularly long winter this year. No, look at that. Green light as soon as we got there. That's what we like to see. A couple of my friends are about to get on their bikes, and I actually met a moto vlogger on the street. Shout out to my boy. So hopefully we can film some content together. And I need the little comms as well, so we can have a little conversation going on. And you can be in on that, or maybe we just sort of switch angles, but we're still working it out, teething issues, that kind of thing. Well, yeah, I guess let me know if you want to know a little more about the bike and the process of getting on a bike and that sort of thing. Insurance is through the roof, though, I will warn you. But it's kind of all worth it for the riding experience. Hopping on a motorbike has been just so invaluable in terms of helping my mental health. The slog to work, getting on that train every day, it just takes its toll, man. It really does. This weather's just the best for it, man. You can't beat it. East Dulwich, man, everyone's out having the time of their lives. Dulwich Park's nearby as well. I'm almost a bit reluctant to go too quick, because I know my brakes are literally not working. Oh man, I feel like a pleb. Got a nice open road here though, Barry Road, leading on to Peckham Rye Park. And on days like this, it's going to be crawling with with people and they're sitting on their blankets and sipping a cold brew. I feel like good times, man, good times. Hello mate, you're going a bit slow there. Thank you. Look at that, mate, everyone's out and about. Last time I filmed a moto vlog, I actually lost balance and came off my bike. If you want to see the full the full clip of that, let me know. I mean, that was during the winter, it was wet, nice muzzy. Headed into Peckham now. More people lounging in the sun. That's what I love to see, man. We've been lacking a few vitamins here in London recently. Not sure what that was about. Not used to that back brake, man. I was like, stop. Peckham Library, Peckham Pulse. I think we're on Bonar Road. That's a quick fact for you there. And we're going to come up to Bird in a Bush Road. So, yeah, I know England's got some funny names, man. Especially the train stations. Cockle Wockle. It's got a few pops and bangs. Aftermarket exhaust. I've not even learned to do wheelies yet. A lot of these kids are like, oh, pull it up. Give me the little rev hand gestures, but you know what? I just have to say, I'm sorry, man. Haven't learned yet. Just keep driving, drive faster. Don't let them see you. Oh, there's the Grange. That's because it's some little Diagon alley, bro. How was I meant to see that? We're giving you a lot of the best tour of London right now. Gonna go straight over Tower Bridge. A lot of people confuse Tower Bridge for London Bridge. London Bridge again was rebuilt. I guess it didn't have much structural integrity with all those houses resting on it. Yes, Tower Bridge. Okay, I mean it's a bit of a crawler through here. What happened there, mate? Sorry, do you want to get past? No worries.
What went wrong there?
Maybe the bridge is up. Yeah. When a big boat goes through, they raise the bridge. But I could be wrong. Just a guess. Oh shit. I better not get to. Okay. Yeah, alright. Dude, that was funny, man. And the van just did a fucking illegal. That was the most illegal maneuver I've ever seen, man. I don't know what's happening over here. We might get some good content though. Police? Selfieville over here, mate. But I mean, I don't blame them. Pretty sight. Smile. Well, I don't know what that was. I mean, maybe the bridge was just raised to let a boat through, but I don't see one. Go on, you got it. Oh, he's got a suitcase on the back. Hella police. Well, we're finally in Shoreditch. Here we are, man, it's busy today. Shaking, man. Oh, we took a good day to take some photos, mate. Whew. Nice bikes, man. At least man won't get robbed, you know what I'm saying? That Goldwing, that thing's massive. Thank you. Cheers, cheers. Man, good to see you.
Hey, man.
Devil horns, yeah? Cool. So the Nikon Z6 III, one of Nikon's newest cameras. It's good hybrid, does good video as well as good photography.
What was the old one you were using?
Usually I'm using Canon, but we switched to Nikon. It's like blasphemy, basically. You know, the two competitors there. So we've got two sides now, yeah. Passenger seat, man, need the full.
I know, bro. Give me the little.
That'd be so easy. Bro.
Give me the little sidecar. You like fucking Wallace and Gromit style, bro. Hey, cheers, man. Cheers, man.
Cheers. No.
Bro, you gotta have that shit ready. You gotta have that shit ready. You can't put that away for a second, bro.
Your knee is being pulled to the side.
Yeah, which is like the cause of my knee issues.
You wanna go?
Yeah, this is my turf.
That was the bike shed. Quite an interesting spot. Definitely one to visit once you get your CBT or your A1 or your A2 or your full license. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see more moto vlogs, more POV photography, or maybe subscribe for the wild camping, please do let me know what you prefer. I know quite a lot of these hobbies, they sort of cross over, to be honest. If you like the outdoors, or maybe you like riding a motorbike. If if you like camping and you like nature, maybe you like photography. So I kind of see where these niches mesh. So I'm trying to sort of just work out what kind of content I want to be creating, really, because honestly I'm not quite sure yet what we're sticking with, or if we should stick to one thing. I don't know. It's quite good to have a mix of things on channel. Whatever the weather is improving, and I hope to be creating quite a bit more content now that we're getting on our feet again. I've just moved house. That's why I wasn't able to upload for practically 8-9 months, but I'm slowly getting back into the groove again. Editing takes quite a lot of time, especially if you've got a full-time job like myself, so bear with me, be patient, and I'll keep pumping the content out as long as I can make time for it, which I should be able to. And yeah, that's about it for today. So listen, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.